Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Some nice rain being picked up through parts of the region, especially into Curry County, Brookings. 2.26 inches over the last 36 hours, nearly an inch and a half in Gold Beach. We also saw some impressive numbers up towards Crater Lake, 1.69 inches being picked up at the headquarters. Medford, even just over a quarter of an inch, but we saw much lesser amounts of precipitation making it east of the Cascades and through much of Siskiyou County, staying mainly less than a tenth of an inch. The rain has ended. There will be some shower activity mainly to our north tonight into tomorrow, but we're going to stay dry here for most of southern Oregon and northern California. Some bright skies expected in general for your Tuesday. Winds are breezy out there behind this system. We've had some gustier winds on the east side, sustained winds at 20 miles per hour in Lakeview. We're getting gusts up to 28 miles per hour, gusts up over 20 miles per hour for Medford as well as Montague. But those gusts on the east side, it's 28 miles per hour in Lakeview, but we've seen some higher gusts up over 40 miles per hour. Here's a look at temperatures, also still fairly on the cool side compared to average behind this system. A little bit warmer though than this time yesterday. We're at 70 up and down I-5 from Grants Pass through Medford and Ashland. It's 71 in Eagle Point and 59 degrees currently in Gold Beach and Brookings. Down in Siskiyou County, a little bit warmer in the Shasta Valley, 76 in Montague. It's 76 in Weed, and we're sitting at 72 in Mount Shasta. East of the Cascades, some of the coolest temperatures in the region, 55 in Chemult, 68 in Lakeview, and 67 in Klamath Falls. But we're really going to start to see a warming trend. Temperatures getting back up above average for tomorrow. Tonight, a little bit on the chillier side in the basin, down to 42 in Klamath Falls, down to 49 in Wairika, and low 50s expected for Grants Pass, Medford, and Brookings. Tomorrow, notice that warm up into the mid-80s for highs in our west side valleys. We'll climb up into the upper 70s for Klamath Falls and Lakeview, 58 up at Crater Lake. Expect breezy winds for inland areas. Those breezes will pick up in the afternoon. Gusts between 20 to 30 miles per hour will be fairly commonplace, and then we'll see 60s for highs along the coast. Here's a look at those winds. You can see those breezier conditions developing tomorrow afternoon, and then lighter winds for inland areas on Wednesday, but breezes and gusts are going to pick up for the coast as we head towards Wednesday and Thursday. That'll help warm temperatures up into the 70s with a fair amount of sun. We are going to be concerned about a pretty big swell coming in for this time of the year. There is a beach hazard statement that's been issued for the coast 11 p.m. tomorrow through 8 p.m. Wednesday. So best to be very cautious if you're going to be spending some time along the coast. Those waves could break up to 16 to 19 feet, which is a little bit on the odd side for June. Take a look at Stormcast as we go through tomorrow, expecting a good amount of sunshine through most of the region. Any shower activity will stay to our north, and then we'll just see some passing clouds on Wednesday, but temperatures will keep heating up as we get towards later in the week. Though notice we'll be watching at least for slight chances for showers and storms, mainly along and east of the Cascades and into northern California, but it's going to be fairly hit and miss. So cooler air moving out and temperatures heating up as we go through the rest of the week. Highs into the middle 90s by Thursday and Friday, and then temperatures dropping back just a bit for this weekend. Your 7-day forecast for the coast: warmer weather Wednesday and Thursday with some blustery winds, highs in the 70s. For Northern California, we'll be looking at those temperatures heating up, but the threat for maybe some hit and miss thunderstorms by Thursday and Friday. The east side will also be under the gun for that thunderstorm potential by Thursday and Friday. Highs up around 90, not as hot though for this weekend. Up in the mountains, temperatures trending up, and we'll also be watching for that potential for some showers and storms later this week into this weekend. The Rogue Valley likely staying dry, but we're not going to miss out on the heat. Highs climbing into the mid-90s by Thursday and Friday.
Yeah, really heating things up.
It's going to feel like summer.
All right, thanks, Matt. Appreciate it.